Hi family. Today I am working on, welcome to Vlogtober. Today I am making a centerpiece. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I'm not sure if it's going to go on the table or on the buffet, but at least you can do these things ahead of time. You know, you don't have to wait until, the day of your party to do your centerpieces. You can go on and have them done, put up in a room, put them in a bag. Okay. So this is, let's see, everything I've had. I shopped my house. Everything I've had for a while. I have this Lazy Susan. It's beautiful wood. It's from Preferred Stock. I always like their kitchen stuff. Had this thing for decades. I have another tray here, wooden tray. That's gorgeous. I love it. I have 2 candles. Had these forever. Just make sure I dust it off. We're going to use 4 picks here. Fall picks. Got them from Dollar Tree years ago. Love them. They always come in handy. And that's when things were $1, guys, back in the day. The new generation won't know nothing about when Dollar Tree was $1. It was like my aunts and uncles would say, y'all didn't know nothing about when it was a 5 and dime. It's like they didn't like it. When things went up to like $1, they were like, I'm not getting that stuff. I used to get that stuff for 10 cents. And then I have 2 like burlap pumpkins. I love the texture of these. I love natural fibers. All right, so I just pulled these out. I hope it works. Let's see. I'm going to create this as we go. Okay. Because I didn't want to go digging through a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, then I didn't show you guys then this tabletop pumpkin. All right. So I'm going to start here. This little pumpkin thing came off. Let me turn this around. And having a nice Lazy Susan is good for a lot of decor items, baking your cakes. Let me fluff these out more. And I went to Dollar Tree the other day. Now, these things were $1 back in the day. At least you get this much. Now, they're like $1.50, and you only get like 2 little twigs. It was like sad. I'm like, I can't. I just can't. So yeah, do it like that. All right, now I want my, the candles are good where they are. I want, let's see. All right, just put that up top. Let me come around. Okay, family, so I put on the Lazy Susan, I put the tray, and then I put this tabletop decor on there, and I spread out these picks here. Okay, and I have my 2 candles here, and then on the back, you see on this side, you'll see a candle, and then on the back here, I'm gonna put these burlap pumpkins there. So I love the textures. I love the wood and the burlap and the candles. So here is our pumpkin centerpiece. I'll bring it down so you can see. I love that. I love this little thing. Okay, so that's A. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably $12 for this beautiful centerpiece. All right, guys. All right, so this is just an idea how you can just use a few items that you already have around the house. Just get 4 fall picks. We got 2 burlap pumpkins, 2 candles. Just get your seasonal candle or whatever color scheme you're going with. Put the candles in there. I have this is the kind of the focal point here. This big pumpkin here, and just create a centerpiece. Let's see, yeah, this would be a great buffet centerpiece. Put it there, you have your food. Let's see, you can just put this in the center and have the food all around, or just get it out the way. All right, guys, so I just wanted to give you some tips on how you can do small little touches to bring fall into your home and do things tastefully for less on a budget. All right, so that's all we're doing today for Vlogtober. All right, guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.